So good morning students. Today we are going to see general science for standard 8. So we are learning the lesson living world and classification of microbes. In that we have seen there are 5 types of kingdoms. Okay. So it is done by Robert Harding Whittaker. So which are the 5 we have seen? Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. So let us discuss one by one. So here the first kingdom is kingdom Monera. So what is this? There is one activity. Take a small drop of curd or buttermilk on a clean glass slide. Dilute it with a little water. Carefully keep a cover slip. Observe it under high power of compound microscope. What did you see? Moving small rod-like microbes are lactobacilli bacteria. All type of bacteria and blue-green algae are included in the kingdom of Monera. So Monera, you have to take a curd or buttermilk on a clean glass and we have to observe it from the, and all blue-green algae and bacteria are included in kingdom Monera. So here many bacteria are there shown. Okay, these are the examples of kingdom Monera. Okay, so characteristics are there. What are the characteristics? All the organisms are unicellular. They have just only one cell. Okay, they may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. So autotrophic means they make their own food. Heterotrophic means they depends on others for food. Okay, they are both type. These are prokaryotic cells without distinct nucleus or cell organelles. So these are prokaryotic cells without distinct nucleus or cell organelles. These are the characteristics of kingdom Monera. So here these are the examples of kingdom Monera. So Streptococcus pneumonia, Clostridium tetani, Treponema pallidum, Vibrio cholerae. This is Legionella pneumonia, so Salmonella typhi, Clostridium botulinum, Staphylococcus aureus. So these are like disease name like pneumonia, typhoid, like this, cholera. So these are the kingdom Monera examples. So the next kingdom 2 is Protista. So what is the activity? Prepare a temporary mount of 1 drop of pond water on a glass slide. Observe it under low power and high power microscope. You will find some motile microbes with irregular shape. These are amoeba. So in the fresh water we found amoeba. Okay, see this, the structure of amoeba. So it is not constant, it anyway changes. What are the examples of Protista? Volvox, Paramecium, Euglena, amoeba. These are the examples of Protista. So what are the characteristics? They have irregular shape, not a same shape again. Okay, the characteristics: Protista are single called organisms with well-defined nucleus enclosed in a nuclear membrane. They have a nucleus enclosed in the nuclear membrane. They have pseudopodia or hair-like cilia or whip-like flagella for locomotion. They have hair-like structure. Okay, that is cilia or flagella or whip-like flagella, and for locomotion to moving from one place to other. Okay, so autotrophs, Euglena, Volvox contain chloroplast. Autotrophs, they make their own food. Heterotrophs, amoeba and paramecium. So this amoeba and paramecium are paramecium is a heterotrophic, and Volvox and Euglena are the autotrophs. Okay, these are the characteristics they are for the kingdom Protista. So kingdom 3 is fungi. Take a moist piece of bread or bhakri and keep it in the container with lid for 2-3 days. After 2-3 days, a fine cotton thread like tuft is found growing on the surface of the bread. Prepare a temporary mount on of the few threads from this culture and observe it under the microscope. So here we have to take a piece of bread or bhakri and we have to keep it in the container which has got a lid, and also after 2-3 days we will get a fine cotton thread. Okay, in Marathi we call it burshi. Okay, so we can see that under microscope the thread under microscope look like this one. Okay, so these are columella, sporangium, apophysis, hypha, rhizoids, sporogiophore. Okay, this is called fungi. So there is National Institute of Virology, Pune, involved in research of viruses. This institute has been founded in 1952 under the jurisdiction of Indian Council of Medical Research. So there is one institute in the Pune which study the viruses. So this is the microscopic view of the cotton like thread which is fungi. So what are these? Columella, sporangium, apophysis, hypha, rhizoids, sporangiophore. Okay, these are the parts of the fungi. So National Institute of Virology, Pune, is involved in research of viruses. This institute has been founded in 1952. So institutional work. National Institute of Virology, Pune, is involved in research of viruses. This institute has been founded in 1952 under the jurisdiction of Indian Council of Medical Research. So under the Indian Council of Medical Research in Pune there is a Institute of Virology which studies the viruses. So what are the characteristics of fungi? These are non-green eukaryotic heterotrophic organisms. Non-green, they are not in green color. So you know that if they are not in green color, they cannot make their own food. That are heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms. Most of them are saprotrophs. They feed upon decaying organic matter. So what is saprotrophs? They feed upon the decaying organism. This is the scientific word. Their cell wall is made up of tough and complex sugar called chitin. So their cell wall is tough and complex sugar called chitin. Some fungi are thread-like and many nuclei are present in the cytoplasm. So fungi are like a thread and many nuclei are present in the cytoplasm. Examples: Baker's yeast, aspergillus, fungus on corn, penicillium, mushrooms. Though many systems of classification are introduced after the Whitaker's, his 5 kingdom system is widely accepted. So what are the example? Baker's yeast, aspergillus, penicillium and mushrooms. Okay. So here microorganisms are mostly two types: prokaryotes, eukaryotes. So prokaryotes only bacteria, and eukaryotes protista, fungi and algae. So let us discuss bacteria. So bacteria is unicellular, independent, parasitic organisms. Sometimes many bacteria together form colonies. Bacterial cell is prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell means with cell wall, but distinct nucleus or cell organelles are absent. They reproduce by simple binary fission. In favorable conditions, bacteria grow vigorously and can double their number in 20 minutes. So within 20 minutes they can make their number double if the condition is favorable. Okay. So here are some types of bacteria given: Coccus, Coccobacillus, Spirillum, Bacillus, Vibrio, shape.